Fix OneDrive sign-in error 0x8004deef in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Method 1. Check network. Prior to implementing any significant modifications to your system, it is essential to verify the stability of your network connection. The occurrence of error 0x8004deef when attempting to sign into OneDrive could be attributed to a weak and unreliable internet connection. Method 2. Check date and time. Method 3. Remove cached account identities. Command in description. Right-click on the identity folder. Click on Delete from the context menu. Now restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. Method 4. Disable VPN or proxy. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Now try again and your problem should be fixed.